students, welcome to Helga class 3. Today's date is 18th December. Okay children, so let's revise. We are having MOY exams, that's why we are revising unit 3 paper. I hope all of you got these papers. Okay, so all of you take out your unit 3 assessment 2 written assessment paper. All of you take out this paper. Okay children, now I'll explain one by one. See here, question number 1. I'll send by through voice message, dictation words. So how many words here? 6. So 6 means 12 words. Half mark, each one carries half mark. 12 words I'll send through voice message. You have to write here. Okay children, then we move to question number 2. Here see, fill in the blanks with the correct blend from the options given. Here 2 options are given, blank is given. With the help of picture you have to choose the correct option and write. Okay, see the first one. What is this children? Yes, it says sweater. Sweater. So sweater. So SW you have to write here. Then move to the next one. It says store. Store. Here stir. And this is slow. Slow. So you have to write slow. Here scale. You have to write here Here spider. Spur. This is small. Skirt. Snake. Right? Turn the page. Here all of you read this story. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pages there. Story. So see this. So what is the title of the story? India and China. So written by Shivangi Thakur. Okay. Then I am from a country called India. Many people live in this country. This is our country, India. Many people live in this country. People from my country are called Indians. New Delhi is the capital of India. So those who are living in India are called Indians and capital city is New Delhi. People here love Pani Puri. You put Pani in a puri and eat it. Okay, Pani Puri. All of you know Pani Puri na? Here people eat Pani Puri. The base. China is India's neighboring country. Many people live in this country too. China is our neighboring country. People from China are called Chinese. And Beijing is the capital of China. What is the capital city of China? Beijing. And people who live in China are called Chinese. Okay, then people in China love noodles. They use chopsticks to eat noodles. So in our country they eat Pani Puri. In China they eat noodles. Okay, with chopsticks. I like both the countries. I love eating both Pani Puri and noodles. So the author saying I love both the countries, India as well as China, and I like to eat Pani Puri and noodles. Now we will answer the questions based on the story. Turn the page. Take the correct answer. What was the story mostly about? India and China, India and its food. What's the story mostly about? We learned about India and China. So which answer is correct? India and China. Then read the underlined word and circle its meaning. Here, China is India's neighbor. What is the meaning of neighbor? Living near me, living far away from me. So those who are living near me we call neighbors. So living nearby. So put a tick mark. Here see, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. Here see, how do people in China eat noodles? How do they eat noodles? So people in China eat noodles with chopsticks or hands? Yes, chopsticks. Put a tick mark here and write in the blank. Okay, then we move to question number 6. Sort words by writing them in the correct column. Here 2 columns are given, verb and noun. What are verbs? Action words are called verbs. And what is the noun? All the naming words are called nouns. Names of persons, places, animals and things, right? See the words. India. India is a verb or noun? It's a country, it's a place, so it's a noun. And eat. Eat is an action word, right? So we can write under verb column. Use. Use also an action word, so we'll write in verb column. China. China is a place, so we will write under noun column. Right? Turn the page, children. Read the sentences and underline the articles. All of you know the articles. What articles, children? A and the. These three are articles. A we use before the consonant sound. Before the consonant sound we use A. Before the vowel sound we use an. The is for specific things we use the. Okay. Then see. I want an umbrella. So which is a article in this sentence? Yes, an. So love you underline an. Seema wants to eat a sandwich. So is a underline. You have to underline a. Rat went under the table. So the is article. Okay. Then we move to next question. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. See. Dash moon is in the sky. So moon is only one. It's unique. So we use the. The moon is in the sky. Then I can see dash owl on the tree. I can see a owl. An owl. An owl. So because A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Before vowel sounds we use an. So an vowel. Then I went to. So I want to eat dash mango. A mango. Okay. Then we move to question number 9. Circle the words that tell us how many in the noun. How many in the noun? See. The dog has 4 legs. How many legs? 4. So circle 4. The spider has 8 legs. How many legs does a spider have? 8. So circle 8. Rahul ate 2 mangoes. How many mangoes? 2. So circle 2. Ram has 7 bananas in his bag. How many bananas? 7. So circle 7. Then we move to next question. Fill in the blanks by looking at the picture. Look at the picture and you have to answer this. There are dash boys. How many boys? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you have to write 4. Yeah, for you are 4. There are dash bananas. How many bananas? 2. TWO 2. I can see dash tiger. How many tigers? A tiger. Okay. Or 1 tiger. I like these dash dresses. 3 dresses. 3. How many are there? 3. So you can write THREE 3. Okay. Turn the page, children. Here see. 11th question. Circle the words that tell you where is the noun. Where means ekkada. See. Rahul sat in the second row. Where he is? Second row. So circle second row. And 4th in the line. So in which place he was? 4th. Okay. He was 3rd in the competition. So where he was? 3rd. Circle 3rd. Okay. Then we move to next question. Fill in the blanks by looking at the picture. Here pictures are given. The dice is at the dash. Second or 2 place. So we'll say second or 2 place. The dice is in second place. So second, write in the blank. A spider has 8 or 8 legs. A spider has 8 legs. Here we use ordinal number. No, we have to use cardinal number 8. Okay. Wednesday is the dash day of the week. 3rd day or 3 day? 3rd day. So here you have to write 3rd day. Then we move to question number 13. Number the picture in the correct sequence. Here you have to write the sequence. Okay. So what is the sequence? Here see. First you will brush. After take will brush. So this is 1. After the brush you will drink milk. So here this is 2. And after that do exercises 3. And you sleep 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1 is the sequence. Okay. Turn the page, children. Complete these sentences to write about the picture. So first, second, third, last. How you have classified this? So first, the boy is brushing. Second, the boy is drinking milk. Third, the boy is doing exercise. Fourth, the boy is sleeping. Complete the sentence using your own words. What was the story mostly about? The story was mostly about the boy's daily routine. The boy daily routine. Daily routine. Okay? That's children, all of you. Complete this paper. If you have any doubts, I'll send tomorrow. I'll send the answers. Tomorrow I'll send these question paper answers. All of you fill that. Okay, children, and practice well. Okay. Bye bye. Happy learning.